Hey guys, welcome to a Central Park view balcony room here on the Utopia of the Seas. We're going to give you a quick room tour, so please drop a like here on this video if you end up liking it. So as soon as you walk in, you are greeted by the bathroom. The light is here on the exterior, and it's a pretty spacious bathroom. I love the tile work here behind the sink. You do have multiple shelvings here for space. You do have a European plug here up top. And then here is the sink on the side. Plenty of storage down here at the bottom with your trash there as well. And then the shower. I do like that it's a glass door and it arches out, so it does give you some more space while you're inside the shower with an adjustable shower head. For those taller travelers. It does come with a 3-in-1 hair, body wash, conditioner combination, but I would recommend bringing your own shampoo and conditioner when traveling on board. So one of the new features that I love about this ship is how much wider these balcony spaces are. It just feels like there's a little bit more space width-wise when coming into the room. You definitely notice it when you come in, but here to the side of the bathroom is the primary closet. You do have multiple hangers here with plenty of storage down below, and you do have the thermostat there as well. I do love how they have pre-made hooks here throughout the ship. There is a couple outside of right below the television that I'll be showing you shortly. So this cabin does accommodate two. So this couch here does not have a Murphy bed, or the top part does not convert into a bed at all. The bed is the primary source for sleeping, and it just accommodates two people. Here you have the desk space where you can put some work in or get yourself ready with makeup. They do have plugs here. They have two plugs there. You have a European plug there, USB, USB-C, regular plug, European plug. And then coming over here, you got some additional space here for storage. Plenty of space to put a backpack or any of your things that you might need. And then down below is the fridge slash cooler. Definitely feels cold, so I would call it more of a fridge than a cooler. And then you have your hair dryer here, some tissues there, and then 4 drawers. These do have the room service menus listed there. And then the rest should be empty. Yep. So let's head on into the bedroom. We have the second closet here with more hanging space here. This is geared more towards long gowns or dresses and suits. And then shelving here with a safe that is not large enough for a laptop, but probably large enough for an iPad, as well as some shelving and drawing down below. So the bedroom does have a mirror here to the corner, so when you are getting yourself ready, you do have a full-length mirror to come and see your full outfit. This is a royal king-size bed. It does come with 4 pillows, and 2 end tables and 2 lamps. The lamps themselves do have a regular electrical plug and a USB-C with shelving below that, which is a great little feature. I do like that the TV is right at the end of the bed, and then you have this amazing setup of hooks here right below the television, where you can hang hats, lanyards, anything that you kind of want to use to utilize the space that you have here. But that we always bring hooks with us on our trip, so this is a nice little added feature. And last but not least, we have the balcony. This balcony does overlook Central Park. You do have 2 chairs and a table here where you can come out and have a drink, take in the views, and listen to some music and people watch. All right, guys, that is going to do it for the room tour. This is a Central Park View balcony room on the Utopia of the Seas, Royal's newest cruise ship, doing 3 and 4 night sailings. If you are interested in booking a cruise here on the Utopia of the Seas or any Royal Caribbean cruise ship, please reach out to us on Facebook at Paul and Ashley, Magic Vacation Planners. Thanks.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.